Nice.
Nice, y'all. Perfect.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.
Of course. I'll go ahead and scan for you.
Oh, sorry.
There you go. You're all set.
Thank you.
Of course.
Thank you, guys.
Hi guys, come on, bring it in. I like hugs. Yeah, much better. Let's have a seat. All right. So, who's going first? I know you're going to point to me. Nice. Okay. Anything else? That's it? I like your hat. Very nice. Yeah? Anything else?
Thank you. Oh, thank you.
Thank you guys. This is wonderful. It's great seeing you guys again. You're doing great this year. Keep up the good work, okay? All right. Have a Merry Christmas.
Thank you, Santa.
Bye,
Merry
guys.
Christmas.
Look at me. Let's get the record player.
Everybody on their end? If we're not going to join the photos, we're going to go to the opposite side of the photographer, please.
Yes. Very cool. Yep, I love your hat. It's a beautiful style.
Did you write your Christmas list? Did you tell Santa? Oh, you're going to measure the Daisy. Oh, Daisy's going to make you know it. Okay. Yeah, we learned how to do all that from Daisy. Alright, so she gonna come some cool Christmas outfits, right? Okay, perfect. Alright, right up here, boys.
Thank you, Donald. Thank you. Okay. Thank you, Donald. Thank you. We're excited to see you.
Yes. Bye, Donald.
Oh, you're the best, Donald. Thank you. Happy holidays. Thank you.
Take picture of the number, the entire number. Take picture of that number. Okay, you got it? Okay, hold the card. Okay. Okay, let me put this in like that. Okay, now are you ready?
Yes, we're ready.
Okay. This is gonna be my table, okay? But I don't have a table. This is gonna be my table. Okay. Okay. Are you ready? Okay, come here. Now you can see what's going on. Oh, don't worry about it. There's some there, but I have some here. Okay, ready? Just like that. Okay, I'm gonna put some here. This is what I need. It's okay. He can touch the phone.
Yes.
Okay, no. Hold the phone like that. Hold it like this. Right there. Hold it like this. This is what I need. Put your hand in the top. Get the card. Get the number. Go there. Then put it there. Go like this. Put in the card. Yeah, right there. Yeah, there. Okay, right there. Okay, now get the card. Yeah, show to him the number. He transferred the number.
Wait, but he was about to go for the other one. That's crazy. Wow.
And you know what is crazy? He's the only one with that number.
Wow.
Magic Kingdom. It's magic, okay? I'm gonna give it to you this that you can practice. Look at Daddy Mommy, okay? Now let me do one more for Princess Daisy. Oh yeah. One more time. Yes.
Thank you. I love your decoration.
Bye, Daisy. Thank you. Hi.
Come on in.
Thank you.
Right there.
Oh, just
Thank you.
Mom, Dad, you're not coming in?
okay. Well,
He wants us to kiss first.
Look here. Yeah.
All right, kids.
Thank
Just
you.
like that. A big old smile. Ready, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3. Can I get a wee? Yay, we love you.
why don't we all
There you go.
Thank you.
Get in there. Happy holidays, guys. Take care.
That was cool.
Happy holidays, guys. Take care.
caballeros de singing a birds of a feather. With company amigos, no matter where he goes, the 1, 2, and 3 goes, we're always together. Oh, we have the stars to guide us. Y dance with desire.
it.
That thing's crazy.
We
Wait, so what did you guys do?
watched the fireworks
That's it? Really?
and just waited for you.